Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we will learn very stylish and beautiful flower vase. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: paper threads any 2 colors, tissue papers 2 to 3, brown color sheets 4 cm strips 2, pen for marking, Fevicol, scissors, paintbrush and ruler. Take Fevicol and very little water in a bowl and mix it well. Take cardboard vase to start decorating. Please watch my previous video to learn how to make cardboard vase. You can see the link in description box. Start applying Fevicol to the vase. Now cut the tissue paper in strips and start pasting on vase. Now repeat the same process to all sides. Now measure the vase height, divide it in 5 parts and mark it. My vase size is 20 cm. I divided 4 cm each portion. Take the brown color sheet strip and paste it as shown. Brown sheet helps to improve the vase output. Now paste the another brown strip according to marking. Now apply Fevicol evenly on the top portion of the vase. Now take light color paper thread to cover the top portion of the vase. Cover the top portion as shown. Now cover the brown sheet part with brown color paper thread. Repeat the same process till the last portion of the vase. Now take light color paper thread and start rolling as shown. Paste this spiral design on brown color portion of the vase. Do the same thing on the other end and paste it as shown. Do the one more spiral design for brown portion to complete the beautiful vase. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.